Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment, JDK 11 or newer, and a build tool. Once done, add the HTTP client library, use built-in HTTP client, or include OK HTTP via Maven or Gradle. Make sure you secure an API key and understand required headers, endpoints, and rate limits. Next, create a simple GET request method that injects the key into headers and handles response codes. This first actionable call verifies connectivity and authentication, so you can iterate on request structure quickly. Once the basic call works, refactor into reusable request methods that centralize timeouts, retries, and header configuration. You should parse JSON using Jackson or JSON into typed POJO for clarity and validation. This reduces bugs and clarifies data flow. Make sure to add error handling for non-2xx codes and implement exponential backoff for retries. Also consider asynchronous execution with completable future or OK HTTP callbacks to keep UI threads responsive, and to process. You finish by hardening the integration. Store keys securely in environment variables or a secrets manager, add structured logging and metrics, and write unit and integration tests to simulate API behavior. Make sure to validate edge cases like rate limiting, 4xx client errors versus 5xx server errors, malformed JSON, and slow responses. If something goes wrong, first reproduce with a mock server, inspect headers and payloads, then check API key scope and rate limit headers. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.